At tapigan ng bala. Nakuha ngayon ng Kawayan City. Number 29, Laser for 2 points. Number 25, pass to number 34, Balta. Baltaan. Fires. No good. Rebound by Kawayan City, number 11. Number 11, tak-tak. Pass to number 10. Pass to number 8. Taking 3. Fakes for number 10. Fires for 3 points. Air ball. Rebound by number 23 from number 11. Hit for 2. And looking for receiver. Pass to number 11. Pumasok. Elbow jumper. Wala. Offensive rebound for number 29. 29. Pass to number 34. 34. Bumangga tumira for 2. Tumenya. 8. 11. Pass to number 10. Number 10. Taking 3. Paasa sa loob 25, pero palta lang inabot. 25 ngayon. 34, Baltan. Unikot. Sinulubong ng tapto. Paas to Bigman, 25. No good. And battle for ball. Nice hustle by number 5. Pass to number 34, Baltan. Offensive rebound and a putback for 2 points. Pass to 34. 34. Next na po tayo. Sawit pass to tak-tak number 11. Dito! May kasama pang foul! First personal. Offensive rebound by number 29. Domingo. Domingo. Sumalaksak. Butik na pabitawan. Back pass. Tulong pass. Nakuha ng number 8 to number 11. Tak-tak! For 2. Number 10, Domingo pa rin. Sinubulak doon sa backcourt. Nakuha ngayon ni Bigman. Pasok yan. Pinasa sa loob. Victoriano. 8. Paso 11. Sabay 3. 15-12 pa rin ang score. Yosete. Number 7-7, pinasa kay Yosete, taking 3, hesitate, move, put back, for 2 points, seconds to play, 57 seconds, pasok yan para kay Agustin. Domingo nga pass to Victoriano, pinasa kay Yan, napakaganda naman, 20, 17 seconds, 15, Felipe, crossover. Felipe floater. Wala. Binigyan ng screen. Pero wala na to. Hindi po kami kuha ngayon ng number 19. Number 19. Nice play. Pinasa kay number 5. Number 5 pa rin. Sa backcourt, binigay kay number 25, Victoriano. Victoriano, sinalubong na tatlo for number 13. Back to number 10. Number 10, Mars! Labanat ng rebound at nakuha. Di number 0 for football. 8. Third quarter niya, number 10, space away for 2. Benjamin pushing, pero nakuha na number 8. Number 8, floater. Pass to Gravela, pass to Kawan. Shoot for 2. Gravela number 9. Silot Gravela. Natawid ang bola. Pinasa ngayon kay Domingo. Spin. Kawan, elbow. 29-20 ang score natin. Last 1 minute and 40 seconds. Number 11, looking for receiver, pass to number 19. 7 to shoot. Sawit. Tries 3, pero wala. Domingo ngayon nakuha. Pass to Baltan. Yan. 40 to shoot. Last 1 minute. Coloma! Pero putback. Ni number 8, wala ba yung putback? Ni number 29, may kasama. Wala. At nakuha ni Domingo ngayon. Domingo! Pero sinalubong sa taas. 45 seconds. Pass to 29. Wala. At nakuha ni number 34 ngayon. Baltan. Baltan. Wala po. Back ni Victoriano. 31-24. 20 seconds. 16 seconds to shoot. Wala. 10 seconds. 31-24. Two points. Looking for a receiver. Binigyan ng pick si Felipe sa may 3. 3 points. Asa number 10, Domingo. Number 10. Number 10 pa rin. 10. Hinasa kay number 29. Penetrate. 5. Wala. Baltan. Putback for 2. Baltan. Baltan. Domingo. Tumira. Spin move. Pasok for 2. Sa loob. Number 8 was number 9. Victoriano. Nakuha ng kawayan ngayon. Back to 0. Asa number 10. Number 10 Steve. Asa number 8. Sa loob. For 2 points. Victoriano pass to Katawan. Bilis ni Katawan. For 2. Sa loob. Katawan. 10 to shoot. Domingo wala. Baltan. Wala pa rin. Domingo still, pass to Victoriano. 7 to shoot. Nakuha ngayon. Felipe! Pass to Pero. Teka lang. Tan, Pinata. Kay Katawan. Wala. Nakuha ngayon ni number 10. Felipe. Still number 10. Number 10, pinasa kay number 11. 11 tagtag. Pinasa sa gitna. Pasok yan kay number 29. Number 9, Gravela. Looking for Baltan. Baltan, pumasok! Wala. Victoriano for the putback. Yes, for 2. 30 seconds remaining. Number 8. Number 8 for it. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 29, 77. Pass to 29, Palomo, wala. At nakuha na Domingo, binasa kayo kay 15 seconds. And my kasama pang foul. Number 10 versus number 10. Binasa kay number 3, 34. Bumagbag, kumeke, kumatay sa may 3. Kumalig. Number 11, number 10. Sila number 10. Number 10. Pumasok. Elbow jumper. Wala. Victoriano. 2 points. Pasa number 10. Kumeke. Taktak for 3.
Tie game.
Felipe. Number 11. 10 to shoot. Taktak. Wala. Yes! All! Pinasa kay Panyo. 16 to shoot. Baltan. Pinasa kay Domingo. Kay number 6, 10 to shoot. Wala. Domingo for the putback. Panyo. Baltan. Sumudsod. Pasok. Binigyan ng pick. Abalan ng buko. Gumatay. Number 29 against 29. Pasok. Ang tira ni Gustavo. Pasok number 10. What a block. 51-47 pa rin ang score natin. Tak-tak. 16 to shoot. Number 10, kulang! In and out! Ako kayo Domingo, Pastor Gumatay. Gumatay! 14 to shoot. 7 to shoot. 4 to shoot. Nakuha. Nipanyo, number 6. Victoriana Nalimon! 11, Pastorino. Pass to 77. 15 to shoot. Yes! 4-2. Gumatay. Gumatay ngayon. Pass to Panya. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Nakakuha ngayon ng Kawayan City. Kawayan City ngayon. Tak-tak. Palasan. Nice play. All Agustin. Score. Baltan. Baltan. Talagang magtira. At nakuha ngayon ang number 77. Number 77. Pass to 11. Tak-tak. 15 to shoot. Dalawang kulang! Time out! Number 11, Yosete. Tak-tak. Tak-tak pa rin. 15 to shoot. Tak-tak. Taas to Kular! Wala. Nakuha ni Paloma. Paloma break. Yosete. Elbow!
Tie game. Tie game. Tie game.
Tie. 55. Nakuha ngayon. On. Yes! For the spin move! 29.
Last 2 minutes, 5 seconds.
Paloma for 1 point.
Down to 1 point lead. 57-56.
Pasto Victoriano. Pasto Baltan. Last 2 minutes. Baltan! 2
3 point
points.
lead.
19. Ito rin. Number 19. And Baltan. Domingo. Last 1 minute and 9 seconds. Domingo. Basta Baltan.
Last 1 minute.
Baltan. Nagawa ng Kawayan City. 55 seconds. Yes,
Pumasok.
59-58.
59-58, Isabela.
Number 6. To number 10. 42 seconds remaining.
8.
Seconds, 62-58.
62-58.
Nakuha. And last task on Kawayan City. Paano? Dahil Victoriana, pinasa. Dahil Domingo, pinasa kay Baltan. Baltan, nalagay na ating referee. Okay, good. Okay. Play. Ular. 19 seconds. Tap-tap. Tap-tap. Balikan ng bola. Yes, pasok. 10 seconds remaining. 10 seconds, Domingo. And foul. Yes!